the hello world code in Dart. Simply create a new file, save it with the Dart extension. Here I'm going to save it to hello.dart. I'm going to declare the main function that returns void main, and inside the main block I'm going to write the statement, the instruction that will print the hello world phrase to the console. To do that, I'm going to use the function print and give to print the parameter the string hello world. That's it. Then run the code. I'm going to type in Dart followed by hello.dart. And now the hello world message is printed on the console. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.